Furthermore, we have Emil Blömen from Hybris Software. Hybris Software is one of the market leaders in multi-channel e-commerce and a partner, integration partner for Business by Design since 2009 morning. So they are kind of an old-timer already, and we talk about that. They are growing like hell. I think 60% growth rate is amazing. So happy to have you with me. And finally, Jose Hernandez from Neoris. Neoris is an SAP partner, also growing like hell. I mean, you started or founded the company in 2000, and you are at 3,500 employees today, which is amazing. Neoris became a partner in the by design area in 2011, so you're relatively young, as a reseller in Mexico, which is one of your focus countries. They're very strong in Latin America and also some Spanish-speaking countries. They also became a solution partner. So when you look at the slide, Jose is also the CEO of myCloudDoor, and we will learn more about what myCloudDoor is later. So great to have you here, and so then start the questions. And I start with Eric because he already knows the drill. Eric, last year we spoke about two opportunities Accenture wanted to pursue with Business by Design. One is building industry solutions and add-ons on top of by design using the SDK, using by design Studio, and the other was subsidiaries. So going with us to large customers and motivate them, convince them that by design is a solution for their subsidiaries. So when you look back now the last 12 months and look at what our ambitions were and the plans were, how would you rate that today? Is that would you still see these opportunities, or has something changed?
Let me start with last year we had what we thought was a fairly aggressive plan for the product set based on what we viewed as the potential market. Our focus obviously was on building out the complete solutions, the micro industry verticals, as well as beginning to get into the large enterprise subsidiary market. What we've discovered is we've actually almost doubled what we had expected to do in both of those areas over the past year, to the degree that we've actually had to ramp up pretty significantly from a resources perspective to be able to meet the demand that we have in addition to the pipeline that has been developed since we started in with these products. So I would say overall from our perspective, the year since the last time I sat up here has been fantastic from a Business by Design perspective.
Thanks, Eric. It's great to hear, and it's also there's a lot of appreciation within SAP for the work we did together. So, Alan, I mean, you're a successful reseller in the SME space, and you've managed to build basically a standing business within a very short period of time. So, was that an easy thing? And I mean, if you would had to consult a new partner, what is important? What made you to get there?
Well, I think there are three components to be effective if you want to play in this space. Obviously, the sales part, marketing, and getting enabled so you can deliver the project successfully for your customer. Mm-hmm. If you go into it thinking that SAP would just hand you warm leads for you to close a deal, that is definitely the wrong thinking. So you have to understand what your go-to-market strategy is. Mm-hmm. Being a partner, for us to market a by design solution, we don't have the SAP budget, if you would. So we have to be smart in how we approach the market and understand where our focus point needs to be. So I wouldn't say it's been easy, but certainly having an SAP team in place helping us with all those three areas has certainly helped us to become where we're self-sustaining right now. Mm-hmm. So certainly it's a maturing process. Mm-hmm. I wouldn't say it's easy, but you have to be focused and you have to be strategic and dedicated.
So it's about generating your own leads, doing some marketing,
Absolutely.
And also the shadowing by SAP in the beginning?
Yes. Get your lead gen engine up and running, understand where your marketing focus needs to be, and most importantly, be able to deliver the successful projects for your customers. Mm-hmm. The value creation.
Thanks. Jose, I mean, you are a new kid on the block, so to speak. Where do you see the unique opportunity in the countries you are strong at? And we started in Mexico, but there's other countries on our roadmap where I think you want to invest and go as well.
Well, Neoris has been a company that very successful in implementing SAP solutions for Latin American countries. Although we have a global presence, as you know, we are a global service partner. Mexico is the country where we signed first agreement with by design, because it's the only Latin American country where the solution is available. But we see a lot of opportunity there that, if not totally localized for some other countries, partially localized, especially looking into subsidiaries of large enterprises as Accenture has. So we see opportunities both in that market and also in micro verticals. Like thinking about cluster of companies, we see a potential market there. As you know, we belong to a very large cement company, and they have a big cluster of construction companies. So we are looking into that market with by design and other cloud solutions potentially.
So that means you want to sell, but also build potentially a vertical solution.
Yeah, we want to build vertical solutions and localize some solutions for the Latin American market.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's the potential.
Emil, coming from go-to-market